Can you tell? We're having a party. But before we can celebrate, we need a birthday card. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 clever hacks for all you card makers, including a really great one on how to add a gift card to any store-bought or handmade card. Before we jump in, I should probably tell you who I am. I'm Amber, and I founded YayDay Paper Co. as a way to make creativity more accessible. At YayDay Paper Co., every month we release bundles of printable stationery, stickers, greeting cards, and lots more, all as a part of our affordable monthly subscription. Here on our YouTube channel, we share clever ways to use those printables, along with tips and tricks for using a tool that you're probably already familiar with, your printer. If you're like me and you love paper and stickers and stationery, you should probably go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all, I would really feel bad if I was just over here hanging out with these crafty ideas all by myself. Okay, let's get to it. We have got a birthday card to make, and I cannot wait to share these clever hacks with you. Anytime you make a handmade card, you need to start out with, well, a card. A piece of paper with a fold in it. But I'm gonna show you a really clever hack for making that card. To make our card, rather than printing on plain white cardstock, I'm actually gonna print on cardstock that's colored on one side and white on the other. First, I'll trim this 12 by 12 cardstock down to 8.5 by 11. I'll place it in the rear tray of my printer and print onto it. Once printed, I'll use my We Are Memory Keeper's score and trim board to cut the paper in half at 5.5 inches. Then I'll score down the middle at 4 1/4. Once I fold it in half, I have a perfect card, and because I printed on that colored cardstock, the inside of the card is pink instead of white. Now it's time to decorate the front of our card. For this birthday card, I've cut out one of the printable ephemera from our Let's Party collection. I'm adhering it to a background layer cut out of cardstock using the Cricut Offset feature. To adhere my sentiment to the front of the card, I want to make it pop up a little bit. I would usually use something like this, a foam dimensional adhesive. But let's pretend you don't have any foam dimensional adhesive. Here's a great hack. Cut out 2 strips of cardstock. This is a great way to use your scraps. Fold them accordion style. Then open it up and add adhesive to both sides and fold again. Now you can stick these squares of paper to the back of your image so that it pops up a bit from the front of your card. With the outside of our card complete, we can move to the inside, and you guys, I'm really excited about this hack. Place your card onto a cutting mat and open it. Now grab a gift card and a pencil. Lightly trace the top and the bottom of your gift card. Now draw a semicircle on the top and the bottom line. Now use a craft knife to cut through the semicircles. I love this craft knife with a finger grip on it. It allows for a lot more control. Erase the lines, and now you can slip your gift card into place. How cute is this? I love that gift card hack because it's perfect for a store-bought card or a handmade card. As a matter of fact, there's a ton of printable greeting cards waiting for you over at YayDayPaper.com. So head on over there, but before you do, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and while you're at it, leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this project. I can't wait to see what you create and how you add a little bit of yay to your day. Rolling, rolling, rolling. What was I gonna say? Hacks for all you card makers, including how to create, as well as, oh yeah, it's not that hard, Amber, it's not that hard. Words, come on. For hacks on all, wait, oh, so close. Okay, here we go.